How dull the wretch, whose philosophic mind disdains the pleasures of fantastic kind, whose prosy thoughts the joys of life exclude, and wreck the solace of the poet's mood. Young Zeno, practiced in the Stoic's art, rejects the language of the glowing heart, dissolves sweet nature to a mess of laws, condemns the effect whilst looking for the cause, freezes poor Ovid in an iced review, and sneers because his fables are untrue. In search of truth the hopeful zealot goes, but all the sadder turns, the more he knows. Stay, vandal sophist, whose deep lore would blast the graceful legends of the storied past, whose tongue in censor flays the embellished page, and scalds the comforts of a dreary age. Wouldst strip the foliage from the vital bough, till all men grow as wisely dull as thou. Happy the man whose fresh, untainted eye discerns a Pythian in the spangled sky, finds Scyphals and Dryads in the waving trees, and spies soft Nautis in the southern breeze, for whom the stream a cheering carol sings, while reedy music by the fountain rings, to whom the waves a narrative tale confide, till friendly presence fill the rising tide. Happy is he who, void of learning's woes, the ethereal life of bodied nature knows. I scorn the sage that tells me it but seems, and flout his gravity in sunlit dreams.